Samsung has been in the spotlight of tech news ever since they showcased the innovative Infinity line of displays at developer conference earlier this month. A short time after, they came out with their very first foldable smartphone prototype, as there has been a lot of speculations regarding this new form factor as well. Moreover, we all know that what is the real jewel of the Samsung smartphone is the much anticipated Galaxy S10 smartphone, which has had people talking about it for over a year now. Scheduled for launch sometime next year, the phone is expected to crush the competition with its plethora of new features and high-end specifications. Today, I came across what appears to be very first render leak of the Galaxy S10's glass protector. The leak was spotted on Twitter. As always, the serial leaker S10 was posted a photo on his Twitter account, and it shows a glass protector that many believe belongs to the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10 smartphone. However, we know that the S10 will offer at least 3 different variants, so it is hard to speculate at this point what variant this render belongs to. Moreover, many are of the view that this particular render perhaps belongs to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite smartphone, which we know is confirmed by Samsung to arrive. The Lite variant of the smartphone will be smaller in size. However, no significant internal hardware changes are expected. For the most part, all internal specifications are expected to be identical across the various variants of the phone. There is also good reason to believe that Samsung might offer different display styles for the various S10 variants. The render shows that what Samsung is calling their new Infinity display. This type of display has minimal bezels and no notch. A few days ago, we saw the first leak of Samsung's AA smartphone screen protector. Here we can see the new Infinity O display design that has a prominent circular cutout in the left corner of the front-facing camera, hence the letter O. In short, there is a lot of new tech that will be arriving next year from Samsung. We will keep you updated as more leaks surface online. So yeah, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.